Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon, wherever you are. Good evening, wherever you are. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's 6:05 Hong Kong time. Hope everybody is doing well. For me, I'm here in the park, having morning exercise, having morning walk. Okay, let's have a walk here. I'm here because later on I will go back to work. Good morning, good morning to you. Morning walk, 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 walk. And morning walk before start my household chores. This is another kind of park. There's a walk here. Walk, 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 walk in the park. This park is just nearby my workplace. Early morning walk. I woke up this morning at 5 o'clock. I boiled water, some short meditation, and then I plan to come here to have a walk first before starting my work. La 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 la. There are many old people here, elderly like me, having exercise. I want to go up to the hill. Yes, it's early morning walk. As you can see, many old people here are having a walk. So, as you can see there, they're very industrious to go out early in the morning. 70 years old. Look at it. You see. Oh, the basketball court is not yet open. I'll go up. Actually, even the dogs go up to the steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Hooray! It's very relaxing to have walk in the morning. We'll walk there and then go down to the basketball court. Ladies and gentlemen, this is all for today. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is near the highway. That is a school. That's the basketball court. It's still closed. Thank you so much, everyone. This is all for today. Thank you very, very much. And please, those who haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe if you can able to do so. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye. Thanks so much. I appreciate all your support. Bye. See you next time.